Hi, my name is Paul Jenkinson, part of the Professional Services team here at Osirium. In this session, I'd like to explain some more detail around account states. Here we have the PAM server. During initial configuration, we'll have connected it to AD and we'll have pulled a number of privileged accounts from Active Directory. Additional to that, we then also connect through to local devices that may have local account sources. During this provisioning task, we conduct an audit of all accounts local to that device. All accounts that have been identified are stored back within PAM so that we can start to understand our account coverage. Initially, these will appear as unapproved. This is indicating that we've identified the accounts, but we don't yet know whether or not they should be there. We also bring back a handful of accounts as approved. These are pre-identified accounts like root. Now, from an auditing point of view, we want to be able to report on those. And normally we would take unapproved accounts that we're happy with and move them across to approved, changing their account state. This is all then done to make sure that we have good reporting coverage of those accounts. Being able to report on the accounts is a very valuable feature within PAM, providing us full audit coverage of all of the accounts that we can see. However, within PAM we'd like to be able to use these accounts to be able to provide access through to our devices. So let's have a look at the first of these useful account states. We can take either of our unapproved or approved account states and change those to known. During the change to known, we will tell PAM what the current password is for the account. This then means that PAM can use this account to be able to log in devices because PAM now has known username and password that can be used for that account. Known is the first state that provides access through to devices using our privileged account. But as it's known, the password is known to both PAM and the user in this circumstance. Normally we'd then like to take the account to a next level. This we call managed. With managed, the life cycle of the password is managed by PAM, meaning that the password is no longer known to the user but can be used to provide full access through to our devices on their behalf. As a PAM administrator, you can freely transition any privileged account between any of these four account states. Lastly, and separate from the other four states, we have fully managed. Here, the full life cycle of the account is managed from account creation, password refresh and recycle, all the way through to the removal of the account when it's no longer needed. This is a unique state that is part of PAM's role-based access within profiles. This is something we'll look at separately. So that's our 5 account states. All 5 are used for reporting purposes so that you can see the state of the accounts and what they look like in our audit trail. Only 3 of these can be used for access, because we need a minimum of known for the password to be available, or managed and fully managed if PAM is managing the life cycle of the password for us. That's all for account states. Please check out the other videos in the Osirium University series.